Good morning, people. You know what time it is, people. Shh. Shout outs to Fishing More. I swear, this guy. Him and Marv. Shout outs to this guy, bro. People, finished cleaning our teeth, mouth washing. So let's head back into the room. Man, gotta finish these eye drops though. By the way, happy birthday once again to my little cuz for 29th. Happy birthday to you, man. And I know you'll probably be watching, so yeah. Happy birthday. People, we are going out, get my uncle from the train station and go visit my auntie at the hospital. So today it's gonna be an adventure. Let's go. Today's gonna be an adventure for us, mate. Let's get it. Hello, people. Got my recording. Look at the city, mate. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. People, I just saw a TikToker. Yes, I saw someone doing some TikTok dance. That's all I want to say. Oh, it was a dancing one too, so.
No, shush, shush. He might start walking over.
Yeah,
oh, maybe we should.
No, don't. He actually does.
Everyone, that's my uncle.
So where do I do a Yui?
He's
Do a
kicking
Yui
back.
here. I mean, where the red lights
And he's
are.
got his party on. What the heck?
Can you even do a Yui?
Shout out to my uncle.
I do.
We are in Clayton. We are here for this.
That'll be yummy. This cloth out is press. That's the most yummiest seafood. Can we have
Hello guys.
Hi. Does it have to be boneless? Can we have
The photographer.
Our lunch, cuz.
The celebrant.
Let's go.
Very happy to hear that, son. Because I was worried. Worried.
Still the same. Very happy.
please?
Back in the car. Yeah. At the hospital, people. What's up, YouTubers? Elevator time. Let's go.
Number 4.
People, we are at the hospital now, in the waiting room, waiting to see my auntie. So yeah, how's your day going? Are you guys having fun? Enjoying yourself today? But we're in the toilet, oh, we're in the restroom. Let's get out of here. Peep my socks. Check them ones out. Which door would open. You guys comment down below.
Well, there's a machine there.
See the what?
Let's head off home and celebrate my cousin's birthday.
Yep. Cousin,
Let's go.
Lisa's birthday.
Oh, mommy, bet. Hello. Hello, neighbor.
Hello, neighbor.
Hello, neighbor.
Possum.
Don't mind me.
Don't mind me, I'm just staring at you, no worries.
Hello. How you doing? You just chilling there, eh?
He's just chilling on the side.
Hello. Again. Where you going? We're back home. I just ate one chocolate Easter egg. Was not nice. But anyways, back home, people. Had a wonderful time out visiting my auntie at the hospital. And man, I kept falling asleep. Falling asleep in the car. Falling asleep in the hospital. Falling asleep in the car again. On our way back here. Back to our home. But now we're just waiting for my sister, my cousins to arrive back home from their adventure, wherever they are. So yeah, let's wait for them so we could eat. And eat and drink whatever they brought. Let's do this.
Had this for school too.
Dinner is here. The birthday feast.
Take the food out.
So this is the cake we have. Family.
Okay, ready?
Ready, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Hey, she hasn't blown it out yet. Yay! Lights, please.
The house is noisy at the moment, but the birthday went great. Birthday went good, people. Celebrating my cousin's birthday downstairs. Did the cake, opened the prezzies, and yeah, it went fantastic. So shout out to my little cuz. Happy birthday once again. Good afternoon, keeper. Sorry, people already mixed up the wheat bits, but you know what I mean.
What's this?
Don't dare yell at me, but I have this. La. YouTube for me and YouTube for mum. People, no plans today. Just gonna relax on my bed. That's it. So shh. My Cuzzie's still asleep, man. Everybody, my Cuzzie's awake. Finished from having her good sleep, and we can be loud. But we're still gonna be in bed, man. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just gonna be here. Back on the YouTube there. And my Cuzzie's on the Minecraft. This is all we're doing, people. This probably that you're all going to see. Just join today. So if this gets boring for y'all, stay, comment down below. Subscribe to your boy. Because we will upload 3 times a week. But not Sundays. Because Sundays are a rest day. And Sunday there's no workers. No working, no uploading. So yeah.
Sundays
Unless we have to, then we will. But
Sundays
if not, we
with
don't.
us.
YouTube and the Cuzzie's on the game. What a good life. People, what do you think of these chips? Have you had it before? If not, hey man, you gotta get these. These chips are the best. I'm telling you, man. Look at this, people. Don't be jealous now. Ooh, look at that. Let's go. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, you. What the? People, it's that time. Eye drops time. Let's do that. People, we're just doing our eye drops. Close these eyes and do these eye drops. Let's go and do these, man. People, let me talk to y'all for a bit. Hey, so you know yesterday how we were going to the hospital to visit my auntie, but before that we went to Clayton to have some fried chicken. But hey, if you live in Clayton, man, come down that beautiful restaurant, because their fried chicken are the bomb. Not the boneless chicken, we didn't get that one. We got the normal chicken, the normal fried chicken, not the boneless fried chicken. We don't want none of those ones. We want the proper. But yeah, man, it tastes the same like it did, what, eight years ago? Like for reals. I haven't had that in a long time. Me and my mum especially. We used to go there all the time, like back in 2013, 14, 15, 16, I think 17 and 18. But yeah, since then, we used to go there a lot. And man, love their fried chicken. I don't know what's the place called, but it's in Clayton. Yeah, that's all I know. I didn't even know the name of the store. Damn, that sucks, man. But their fried chicken are the bomb. Shout out to Clayton, man. Shout out to you fellas. Oh, for reals. Until to talk about the fried chicken, how good it was. Oh, and also my cousin's birthday, so that went good. So yeah. And my arm's getting pretty tired holding this up. I don't know how you guys do it. Just holding the camera up like this. Wow. I need to go and train. Damn. Insulin done. Let's go. Dinner is here. People, thank you for watching my vlog, liking my vlog, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I appreciate all the love from y'all. And anyways, let's hang this vlog up. So, like, comment, subscribe to your boy Cuzzie Vlogs, and we will catch you on the next one. So until then, all of yous take care, all of yous take it easy, and all of yous enjoy. Laters.